What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you joining me for another video. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Springfield Armory XD-9 Mod 2. This is their subcompact. It comes in a hard case with some branding here on the outside. It just says Springfield Armory since 1794. Let's go ahead and open it up. Inside the hard case and behind this styrofoam, you get your documentation here and your manual. Now these regular priced go for between $400 and about $550. I got this at an amazing price. I got it for $365 out the door. Moving right along, you do get an included lock with a key. You got some Lucas extreme gun oil. This does have fiber optic sights. You get some replacements here. You get two magazines. One is a 13 round magazine, double stacked, and the other has an extension on it, but this gives you 16 rounds and also double stacked. Now here's the star of the show, the Springfield Armory XD-9 Mod 2 subcompact. You got some company branding here on the side. Subcompact, your takedown lever, your slide lock. It does have an ambidextrous magazine release, a grip safety, a loaded chamber indicator, fiber optic sights, nice serrations here towards the back, accessory rail in the front. These sections back here are what Springfield Armory calls, what do they call it? Their grip zones. It does fit your hand very well. This is an awesome pistol. It has all the bells and whistles that you could ever need, and I think it's justified with the price. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is like I said, a quick unboxing. I'm going to do a full review of this gun within the next couple of weeks. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm Tactical Black Guy, and I'm out. Peace.